Oh, not again, Cowpokes. Ah. Oh, baby, do we have something fun on the farm to show you today, Cowpokes? We've got some new babies. I bet you're never going to guess what kind of babies we've got on the farm. So why don't you leave a comment below about what your guess is, and let's get going right now. Now I have some other really cute babies to show you, but these are kind of hard to catch. Farmer Mark and Haley have some new kitties, and Mark said he'll try to catch one for us so we can see it up close. He says they're hard to catch, so we'll let him work on that part.
Remember, these are barn cats, so we have to be super quiet to catch them.
Hey, Farmer Mark, how's it going?
Shh! Slick Nick, I almost had one.
Farmer Mark doesn't know what he's talking about. Slick Nick can catch a baby kitty. I can catch a wild cat, a house cat, it doesn't matter. Slick Nick can catch any baby kitty he wants to. All right, Cowpokes, I got my gloves on this time. I'm gonna get this kitty. I'm never gonna catch one of those baby kitties. I don't think those kitties even like me.
Slick Nick, I think I know a baby that's gonna love you even more than a baby kitty and be with you for forever and ever.
It's baby Ruthie! Cowpokes, meet the newest addition to our family, Ruth Lauren. Now this is my kind of baby.
It's time for another County Line Cowpokes competition. And today we've been talking about lots of babies. And so we have some baby bottles of milk here. And we have Slick Nick and Farmer Mark. And they're going to see who can drink their bottle of milk faster. So we have Slick Nick representing the red team and Farmer Mark for the blue team. We're gonna see who can drink them faster. Ready, boys?
Ready.
Okay. On your marks. Get set. Go. Let's see. Oh, it's a tight race. It's a tight race. Ooh, Slick Nick might be slightly ahead here. Oh, who do you think, guys? Oh, Farmer Mark is fast. He's doing fast. Oh my gosh. It's so close. We're down to the wire. We're down. They have barely any left. Both of them. Oh, Farmer Mark by just a little bit beats Slick Nick. Congratulations to Farmer Mark and the blue team.
Yes.
And the winner of this County Line Cowpokes competition is Farmer Mark and the blue team. Yay! Nice try, red team. Nice try. Hi, Cowpokes. As you can see, life has been pretty busy lately. And what we're going to talk about today is how you can really help out when others around you are busy, like these helpers have been with us lately. So this isn't just for little cowpokes to help out, but also for grown-ups. Sometimes there could be a big life event like a new baby, or you could be moving to a new home, or kids could be moving to a new school, and those could be stressful situations. And those are times when you might need help. And speaking of help, where's Dad at? Have you guys seen him lately? I could use his help.
I'm right here. Look, I've been busy. I made a bottle for baby Ruthie.
That's not for Ruthie, that's for a baby cow.
Oh, this is for a baby calf.
Daddy.
What animals make the best pets?
We give up, silly Uncle Sammy.
Cats, because they're perfect.
Well, Cowpokes, I sure hope you enjoyed seeing all those cute little babies today. And isn't baby Ruthie just sweet as can be? I sure love being her Auntie M. Slick Nick really has something to be proud of with that pretty little girl. We'll see you next time, Cowpokes.
Hey, Cowpokes. Thanks again for joining us today on the County Line Ranch. Don't forget, we really need you to give a quick click for Slick Nick on that subscribe button to our channel. Be sure to share us on all your social media pages, and we'd love it if you could leave us a comment about your favorite things in our videos or what you might want to see next. Be sure to join us next time to see what we have to get done here at the County Line Ranch. Hey, Farmer Mark, he's not supposed to be driving my tractor.